so I think that the key strengths, skills that the practitioner need to have, TNO practitioner need to have in 2016 going forward, is a lot of flexibility, agility, customer focus, be ready to experiment, to fail, and to learn from it. That are the key skills that really I see going forward. And the key trend on the industry are going to be around robo-advising, blockchain as well. So company need to get involved, start working with startup, and start learning more and more this kind of new technologies and new solutions.